the area of a triangle is always equal to half times side into its altitude, its corresponding altitude. So in this video we're gonna prove that why the area of a triangle is half times the side and times its corresponding altitude. So for that, let us take one triangle named ABC. Okay, so our area is half AB into the altitude, this altitude, or you can take any side. Either you can take AB, BC, or CA. So for in this proof, we're gonna take the side BC and the altitude AL. Okay, so we have to prove that the area is half the side BC times its corresponding altitude into AL. Okay, now for proving that we have to do some construction. So first of all, we will do is we will draw a parallel line A through the point A, which will be parallel to BC, and similarly we will draw a parallel line from the point C, which will be parallel to BA, like this. Okay, like this. This will be, and the point where they will meet, we will refer to it as D. So since AB is parallel to CD, okay, AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD, by construction since we have did it with construction, so we will write in the region for it. Now since this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this, so our quadrilateral ABCD becomes a parallelogram. Okay, becomes a parallelogram. Now since it is a parallelogram, so we can clearly see that AC is the diagonal of the parallelogram, and we know that the diagonal of a parallelogram divides the parallelogram into two areas, or into two regions of equal area. So the area of this region will be equal to the area of this region. Okay, it means finally we have to find the area of this triangle. The area of triangle ABC will be, since this is equal to this area is equal to this area, so the area of triangle ABC will be half of the area of parallelogram, half of the parallelogram's area, which is ABCD. Okay, so it will be half of, and now we know the formula for finding the area of parallelogram. It is what it is. It is the product of its sides, which is BC into, okay, let us see. The area of a parallelogram is its side multiplied by its corresponding altitude, which is BC times the altitude is AL. So finally our area of triangle ABC becomes it comes out to be half of BC times AL, and this is what we had to prove in the beginning.